Ka Wege School Sorkar, ka Belatip kum ka Aradonga Secondary Deficit School, ka Badan Kapot bat kejela Asam bat Megalia Hakitan Atiabari, jong ka West Khasi District. Ya ka bala seng nedu snem shejar kendai spa nripuar. Henry ketika school mentad gi posnem kampat don watang uweru Nonghikai ka subjek Khasi ne ka MIL kat hadu mentamene. Hakabaya de bat ketika pang nakaliang jong ka seng HNYM. Sajwat hapo ka jing lam samla Fasman Rose Marshilong presiden harkat ka jing don lang ru ubak si so syang presiden ke HNYM Motion Road Circle menta ka sengi gila lej ban jurep ya ketika school ban lab ya ka jing shisha ha ka jing lej jurep ka seng kalayo ban ya keren bat ucitung viji moment headmaster ka Aradonga Secondary Deficit School ubalapen shisha bah ketika school kat hadu menta menne ompat don Nonghikai ban hikai ka subjek Khasi ne ke MIL Namar kamshim ladon kamang kerpang ni sanction dang sorkar Megalia. Tayu headmaster ulong shushu ban nakaliang jong skol kala depan pentip ni ajing tho ki bor bahalor. Hakabai dei berketika pang. Pausi kat hadu menta ompat yo kano jubam. Kumta kum headmaster ka jing persang kabaret. Ulap tha yo wei Nonghikai ubdeu Khasi bo unshim kerpang yang subjek Khasi kat badon por kum si benta ban yarabi kena wadda kabahi kai palat ya kapor long skol. Kaseng kalapan pau jing benyo bat kalah rai ru ban leiten ru siki bor ke bedai kemi kenang bagi para Khasi basa akatan kapot kindu bio ke jing mentoy namar laong bagi Khasi ki basyong basa ketika tan ki balapas ling ba ketika slem kim danang bhai ka tien Khasi lah ka keren ka khana ne ka thok tar
nga one school ne nga chong class 9 te nga sejenjar ba en ka Khasi re de sejenjar atau exam ka kelas 10 pas te buat ketar don Nonghikai Khasi te lek no ini si
they say that they are from HYNC or something like that organization in the West Khasi Hills. They come here and they inquire about Khasi teacher because students they face problem. Those who are coming from different neighboring Khasi village, there are some students, but for them there is no MI teacher. So why till now in Aradonga Secondary School, though Aradonga Secondary School is in West Khasi Hills, why there is no Khasi MIL teacher? So they came and they asked. So I have replied to them that it is our long pending demand that we have already sent to the government. But till now, government, they are not taking initiative. So, in due course, government sanction, if the government sanction Khasi MIL teacher, then in due course we will avoid all those things and then it will finalize later on. But till now though, I have one Khasi teacher, so I'm asking him to help those Khasi students, but he is having other engagement, other subject he's teaching, but extra I'm asking him to help to guide the Khasi students. Yes, it was long before we have one Khasi MC member, but Master Kelindo. During his tenure, we have demanded that one Khasi MIL teacher should be sanctioned in Aradonga Secondary School. It was a long,
at least 10 years.
Yeah, no, more than 10 years.
Okay.
More than 10 years. Actually, they are in class 10. There is class 9. So those who are living around in Aradonga and Atiaburi surrounding, they are here. Only that much. There is no other problem. We are going smoothly. We are doing nicely.
Ringdo sakil bat haringkat kecing trelang bat ka HNWM sewa unit hadin pangilayo kecing ujor napun ki pradok prasnam jongi ki basa chane shathan bodar West Khasi Hill hakabayade bat kanika school deficit school aba hap hangni hapo Aradonga sentar kanika school basenge kana duk aslam khat khandai spa andru puar bat haduk menta kalakot lagum no kumno ndru pho tulik snem Henry kalong ka papen sosi engi kum keseng namar ba ngilap pa hadin bangiliyo kejing ujor ngilawan inspection menta ba ngilap syai ba kanika school kamdon Nonghikai subjek MIL subjek Khasi compulsory terbalai ki pradok prasnam jongi ki basa sakane ka thain bordar mekli asam ki bun nadu ki nong trai ki nong kendang ki nong opar nong kendang ki nong diang kany kumta terter bat nasional seri muliang ki tom jaran ki nongma ki ne ki tonghor terter pun ki snong Khasi ki ba hap hakine ki area ki ba don hasnda jong kan ka school hendrai khose kalong ka ka ba persusi yang ikum kaseng bangilap ba kim don unoh kai Khasi la rupo tulik snem te sai kalawe jong ki pradok ki prasnam ki jongi ki basa hakine ki time bordar hoat niyo I wat katai kamalang kuna ka bakham sa jengai ka school higher secondary school ki don ki noh kai Khasi shadu shakarsai ki don ki noh kai Khasi te hendrai hangne ha Aradonga kalong ka bakham jan bat ka bakham pun ki pradok prasnam ki Khasi ki jongi ki nong trai ki muliang ki maram hendrai don weru unoh kai Khasi bashim namta ka compulsory subject MIL ka jongi hangne mentang ilawan kendu ya I headmaster parwan inspect ru ekan ka school na kaliang headmaster ru ilai thu sai ba namar kim don ka sanction post te maki kimla le hendrai hoi kidon ki para Khasi ru nakaliang headmaster ru kila itu sayangi pat nakaliang ka jongi ru nyim da song klik ti hendrai ngin lej ajing tho sha u DI badem pet nakaliang school jong ka west Khasi hill pat kunju ru bangin dawaru ya ka sarkar bala kumno kane ka de emergency post namta ka MIL ka jongi hangne hapo Aradonga pada kamtam hakine ki border area namar kalong ka bajengai namta ki prodok pasnam jongi ladang ilek seduk senong stone tang ka bai kaliru kalakot adu news pa sisi bat lek bat wan re kat no tam ka jingjencar namta ki basa hangne kalong ka kepala I konswet ya ki basa chagene ka time border ki bubuan na ki kena Khasi ki jongi sene kemut nadu ki nong trai ki muliang ki maram kimnang tang ban selene tang ban kren namta ka tin Khasi namar kim don noi kai la andru phol tulik snem nadu ka snem kan dai spa andru aratu kinek si bam ta don noi kai tang ban kren Khasi tang ban tho ban taru kimnang ki don ru ki noi kai ki khana school ki don ru khana school ki wan report changi ba kumdong nang ban tho exam haba ya ka class 10 nadu class 5 to class 10 don noi kai ba shim ya ka subject MIL nyimnang ban tho exam kila karpat kila request yangi tementan nakaliang ka jongi kum kaseng ngim song klik ti bat ngin yai tur bat ngin yai dawa ya ka sarkar balak kumno kadai ki emergency post namta kan ka subject MIL ba dei lakumno ki dei ban don ar la ne laingut ki noi kai Khasi namta kan ka school Aradonga hangne hawes Khasi